Hey guys, just a little update here. Day 3 of the siding. These guys were kicking ass today. Alrighty, so I don't know if I made it. I don't remember making the video or not. I have a video on my camera right here I have to upload tonight, so you'll see that one before you see this one. So today, this is Wednesday. I put that window in yesterday, and then last night I spray foamed all the cracks in the boards. I did some repairs on the bottom of the wall there, and they have it all together. So today I put storm doors in. I worked on this bottom of this window here, cleaned the foam up. I had to modify that door opening for the storm door. When I put that door in, I put new trim on the outside. I didn't like the brick mold, and I put it in the way I liked it, and then the storm door wouldn't fit. Well, the old door was a cheap one, and when it wouldn't fit, I just cut it to fit. Well, this one's a more expensive one. I'm not real pleased with these. I bought Anderson storm doors. They're okay. They're better than the cheapies, but still not so great. So, gutters back on over here. Soffit and fascia's done here. You can see the soffit's done up there. They got to put the fascia on yet, and they're just using their best user work here. They're when they get the siding up there, then they'll put the soffit. They'll put the fascia on. Alrighty, so yeah, this is all okay. See that there, the front porch. They got this done. That looks good. And this has never been finished, never. So that came out pretty nice. I mean, it's a real rig job up there, but that came up real nice, and they're going to put siding on that part there. You'll see on the other side here. So, front porch is ready to go. I'm going to have to get somebody to cap the bottom of that window right there. These two windows are going to need the sills capped. They're particle board sills, and the sills are warped. Those are the only two windows like that left there. You can see. I don't think anybody's going to notice but me. But yeah, I'll have to get, maybe Jimmy can help me with that. I'll just cap that with aluminum, and that will be done. Got to clean that window up, maybe paint the frame. It's an aluminum frame on the outside of there. I was stripping the old one, so I seen how that was. It's actually like, it's like rabbited, and it slides into the wooden frame. So that's good. So there, this side is done except for a little bump out. There you can see I said about the siding there. Dad had beadboard up there. It was painted white. It was flaking off. That's what I did. And I got a box up there with an outlet in there. I have a light that plugs in. What I'm going to do is probably put a spotlight up there. And yeah, I know you square box. Yeah, whatever. It's what I had up there. I just like, there's so much to do around here. I'm overwhelmed. Just glad to be getting this finished. You know, I'm probably being too particular. Wish I could have had that stucco done. Oh, here we zoomed out. Wish I could have had that stucco done beforehand, but I'm tired, man. My shoulder hurts, my back hurts, my feet hurt. So yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. It's never been finished there. So zoom out. Yep, soffit and fascia here. Looks really good. This is the new siding. The color is Quiet Willow. It's Mastic Ovation. I'm gonna get a shot of the box there. So yeah, this part's done. Done. What do you think, guys? I like it. Somebody asked me why I didn't have the house the same color as the siding. I mean, the garage the same color as the house. You know, the house the same color as the garage. Blah, 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 blah. Because my mom wanted green. She always liked green. My grandparents' house was half green, and I like it. This is sharp. Much different. Yeah, old screwed up roof. Hey, it's got a roof over my head. So yeah, here we go. It's Quiet Willow. Yeah, Quiet Willow. Double 4.5 mastic. Let me get a shot of that so I know in the future in case I want to do any additions. God, I don't need any more room. Double 4.5 Dutch lap mastic Quiet Ovation. Alrighty. So that's where we're at here. Yeah. We're gonna do that all the way back Friday. They got something else to do tomorrow. A meeting or something, they said. So there you go. Back of the house here. Back's almost done. There's the new storm door up there. So Anderson has a self-storing screen. It's pretty nice. I like it. Just like I said, it's not everything I hoped for though. It still has its fitment. It doesn't want to latch. It doesn't latch tightly, and there's nothing I can really do about it. You know, it sucks. You know, I like my doors to latch. I like my storm door to latch really tightly. You know, if I hear this thing banging on the window, I'm gonna get a little pissed. And it says, "Don't return to store. Call the 1-800 number." Well, I haven't gotten that far yet. You know me. I don't even like to read directions. So yeah, upstairs windows in there. Siding's almost done back here. I got new lights. I'll show you those. New lights. I got so much work to do here yet. It's not done yet. I mean, I gotta finish the inside of that basement entrance. I gotta do wiring on the garage. A bunch of other things, the basement work. Get ready for the coal boiler, and then I can start working on cars. So if you guys are here for car stuff, it's coming. Alrighty, so here we go. I got new lights. These are going to go on the back of the house here by the patio door. There you go. I got 2 of those. And then the side door and the upstairs door, we're using these. I got these a while ago. You can't even see them. It's motion sensors. I'm going to turn the motion sensors off. They annoy me. Except for the one. I got this for the over the basement entrance door. I got that. Here, I'll show you this light. This is the one I'm going to use upstairs. I had lights up there, and they were only 2 years old, but they were falling apart. Oh, sorry. Seeing nothing. Hang on, bear with me here. Bear with me. Alright, here you go. That's going to go in the side door and my upstairs. These were going to go in the back door, but I bought something fancier. These Bradens. I wanted these in the garage, and I didn't get them. They make a bigger one with 2 lights each, and I got the LEDs instead. So I want to keep the house more traditional looking, and I have black fixture on the front porch. So, you know, I would have liked nickel, but more money. Like again, you know, I got nickel door handles and everything. The handles for the Anderson doors are pretty, but they don't work the greatest either. Like, you flip it up and it just kind of doesn't do anything. I don't know. Oh, zoom. Oh, focus. 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 Can you believe this camera? Can you believe this camera? Ay, ay, ay. Well, you guys aren't getting very good video quality here. I don't know what to tell you. So I gotta clean up my mess here. I gotta put all this stuff away. Oh, stuff everywhere. Organize my tools. I haven't had time for that. I've been working since 7 o'clock this morning. So yeah, oh look, new dryer vent. Matches the siding. Yep, and then they have these little things here for the lights, which they never had these when I did they might have had these when I put the siding on 25 years ago, but hey, I didn't know about them, so we got those. They flash. They have a trim coil that's the same color as the siding, so the aluminum is same color. That's flashed. That's flashed up here. Let's hope for the best. See, I might have to do a little more sealing around there. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Who knows? So let's see if we saw this side then. Yeah. So there's the storm door. There's the storm door for there. Oh, here's the trim work. This is all aluminum cap work is done here on this door. There's the thing for the light. There's a new thing for that. Oh, where's my bathroom fan? Oh boy. Hey guys. I forgot my bathroom vent. Alrighty, I gotta tell them about that. Here, I'm sorry about moving around. Yeah, there's supposed to be a vent up there for the bathroom. They gotta know about that. So I'm gonna have to get off of here and yep. So there you go. That's what we got here. Hopefully this lasts. It better. So I'll talk to you later, guys, and take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.